Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for August 4th, 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks in news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, we will look at how Nifty traded today. Nifty opened in the red and traded with a negative bias to end the day, lower by 0.64% or 159.40 points at 24,614.90. The correction seen today was mostly due to rise in crude prices and profit booking at higher levels. Most sectors ended in the red, with realty correcting the most as it fell by over 2% at close, while media and metals emerged as the best performing sectors. Volatility for the index rose slightly. Since Nifty closed only slightly above our stated resistance, levels may be kept the same with supports being at 24,525 followed by 24,420, while resistances may be placed at 24,610 followed by 24,710. For tomorrow, Nifty may be expected to trade mostly sideways within a range and may witness a slight positive bias if RBI holds its rates as per market expectations. A hike, however, may cause a correction with sectors such as realty, banking and financial services being in focus. Traders may take a cautious approach, especially around the time at which policy rates are announced. The NSE index may become more bullish above 24,990, while a break below 24,135 could make the index bearish in the short term. Next, let us take a view of how Sensex traded. Sensex fell by 0.27% or approximately 210 points to close at approximately 78,429. Levels for Sensex may be adjusted downwards with supports being at 78,145 followed by 77,775, while resistances may be placed at 78,500 followed by 78,800. Sensex may witness bullishness above 79,370, while bearishness may dominate if the index falls below 77,185. Now, we will take a look at the moves seen in crude oil. Crude oil prices opened higher and has been trading with a positive bias till now. A recovery was seen after yesterday's correction despite Trump's assurances that a deal was near, as Iran objected to US's continued blockade of the Strait of Hormuz. Volatility for the commodity dipped heavily today. After the recent gains, levels for crude oil may be adjusted upwards with supports now being placed at 7,700 followed by 7,500, while resistances may be placed at 7,885 followed by 8,025. For today, crude prices may be expected to recover slightly, but may be expected to remain range-bound with upside being capped by production increase by OPEC plus countries. Despite US claims of ongoing talks, uncertainty still abounds as supply disruption from the Middle East still persists. Trading between levels seems to be more prudent for now with a sell on the rise approach with strict stop losses being supported by current market scenario. Crude oil may post better gains if 8,280 is breached on the upside, while a break below 7,500 could lead to further correction. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Larsen & Toubro has secured an ultra-mega offshore order worth over 15,000 crore rupees from ADNOC Offshore. Through its hydrocarbon offshore business, L&T will lead a consortium to develop and upgrade multiple offshore facilities in West Asia, further strengthening its global energy infrastructure portfolio. Godrej Properties reported a 42% year-on-year decline in Q1 FY27 net profit to 349 crore rupees, mainly due to a high base in the year-ago quarter. Despite the profit decline, the company delivered 22% growth in bookings, reflecting continued strong demand across its residential projects. Zydus Wellness reported a 7% year-on-year decline in Q1 FY27 net profit to 118.9 crore rupees. The moderation in earnings came despite continued demand for its consumer wellness portfolio, with investors likely to watch for margin improvement in the coming quarters. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that free webinar will be conducted on Friday and over the weekend. On Friday at 3:15 p.m., Mr. Sanjay Ji will be conducting a webinar on the topic Master High Probability Reversal Trading using Powerful Chart Patterns. On Saturday at 12 p.m., Mr. Amol Chapi will be conducting a webinar on the topic Increase Your Options Trading Accuracy using PCR and VWAP together for high probability trades. And on Sunday at 3 p.m., Mr. Chetan Gupta will be conducting a webinar on the topic Exclusive Masterclass, Understanding Option Pricing, Market Maker Psychology, and Why Option Premium Moves Against You. Do check the description for the webinar links. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.